Hi everybody, welcome to this new video. You're most welcome. uh, we are we are going to continue with the $160 trading account. This is the next review. I think day five. But though today is Saturday the 7th of December, right? 2024. It's Saturday, but I just want to show you guys what happened after the last video I made before I ended the day. So let's see on Saturday, and we are going to do a little analysis of the market and together for those who are taking trades along with me, right? You can see my thought process and see how I'm looking at the market. So let's see where we are today. Today, I would have made a video yesterday night, but it was a little bit tired. I kind of uh, get myself worked up, and I was a little bit tired, so I had to make the video today, Saturday, right? So from $160 today, we are in. And guys, please, I'm sorry. I think the quality of the video we had the last time was a little bit was blurred, right? Is the system I use. I used to use OBS there. My settings were not really that right. So, but now I'm using Zoom to make the video so you can clearly see the numbers, right? So you can see we are on a live account, right? We are on a live account. Just market, we are on a live account. So we have moved from the 160 to today, Saturday, we are on 181, right? $181. That's it. Yes, we are making it, right? We are making it. And like I said, I'm using the $160, but um, for somebody having a bigger account than this, right? A bigger account than this, like let's say you are having 1,000 or maybe $2,000, it's obvious you are going to make more than what I'm making right now. So I'm using this 160 such that everybody, is what I could put in this account, right? To to let it run, right? So, but anybody with a bigger account size, right, can do the same thing and scale up, right? And definitely you are going to make much more. Let's say today we are on 181, right? 181. That should be approximately almost about uh 20 $21 increase. Okay. So we are definitely moving, right? We're definitely moving. So let's see the analysis. And and with that notwithstanding, we are in a win in this trade, right? Of $7. Yesterday was, I think, it was almost $13. The weekend, the market kind of like um the uh the market kind of like reduces the changes this the spread, right? They kind of like play around with the spread, but on Monday it's going to go back to almost about $13 here, right? And on this trade, this GBP CHF, we are on $7, which normally should be about $12 or $13. But on Monday, we are going to continue to see how the market continues to fall. So for those who are not yet in this trade, you can still hop in. It's still having a good ride. I'm expecting this market to maybe come right down here, right? To come right down here, or even a little bit beyond here, right? To come like down here, a little bit beyond here. So that's what I'm looking forward to. So this market is going to run down within in during the week of during the next week, right? Coming next week is going to run down. Next, we are having this. We are we are kind of wait, what's going on here? What's going on here? Yeah. We are on Euro NZD, right? We are on Euro NZD, and we are we are kind of uh-oh. Let me see. I want to show you guys. We are on I think we are on $2 something. $2 something. You can look around here, right? My picture is kind of shading, but I don't want to move it around. Um, we are on $2 something, right? We are on 2 point something dollar. So if you put all that together, you can see the account, right? You can see the account, the equity is on 190, which means if I close this trade that I'm having right now, I will be at $190. But we haven't yet closed the trade because if you look at this trade, we still have potentials, right? This market is still to go up. We still have enough potential to ride this market right up to this point around here, right up to this point, right? This is where we are seeing this market going. So we still have some room to 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 ride the market, right? Just right up to this point. So that is it. That is it. That is it. We are on track. We're on track. So let's see. Let's go through the different currency pair. Right. To me, I I think if your strategy is okay, well, I don't know. I don't know. Professional traders, some other professional traders will say they stick on a single pair, or yeah, people have their different ways that they trade. They stick on a single pair and stuff like that. And also, some don't use indicators, right? Some do. Whatever works for you, all right? Whatever works for you. If you feel like, you know, uh, 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 um, using a strategy that makes that allows you to function on different pairs, fine. If you feel like you want to trade without indicators, good. And you feel like you have to trade with your indicators, that is also fine. The end goal here is to make money and to make the money consistently, right? To make the money consistently. Okay, so that is exactly what we are trying to do. That is what everybody is trying to do, to make the money and make it consistently, right? So whatever means that you use to reach there, good, right? It's very okay. If you can understand it, if you can wrap your brain around it, and you feel like this is what you are comfortable, because people are different, right? People are different in their perspective of looking at things, right? Some may look at it on the left side, some may look at it on the right side, some may look at it from above. It just depends on the kind of person you are. To me, I use indicators, even though not that many, but I do use my few indicators that, as you can see on the chart, that gives me the sentiment of the market without me, stressing too much to find out, what is actually happening or whatsoever. But in an instant, at a glance, I can tell you that this market is going down, right? I don't need to go through several steps to tell you that this market is going down. In an instant, I can tell you. So that is just it. And let's look at our analysis. Oh, someone is calling me. Just a moment, please. A moment, guys. Moment. Uh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Just a moment, uh, please. Okay, so as I was saying, let's try to go run through this. Okay, so we will start. Let's say we start from the daily. Look at the daily, and we'll see that it's pretty showing like it's going up, but we are not sure if the daily is really the downward movement is really complete, right? We are not really sure, but let's see. Let's go down to the lower time frame. We see that the market is falling. Because if you look here, right, if you look here, you see the red, red, red. We are waiting for the next shoulder here, right? The next shoulder here to form like a head and shoulder. The next shoulder here. Right? So this market can either go up here and then come back down, right? Or who knows? It can just go down to give the next shoulder before going up. So we are not really sure about that here. We are not really sure about. So let's see. Let's see. Let's go down to lower time frame. We'll see that the market is kind of like was like looking at. Oh, this would have been a very good entry here, right? You see here, one test, two tests. It would have been a very good entry here, right? 90 would have been a very good one. But we were not in that trade. We were not in that trade. So let's move further and see. And see. Okay. Okay. So here, virtually nothing. Let's look at the next one. ADCHF. ADCHF daily. You see, the market is just telling you it's going down. It's going down, right? So we are going to be looking at our downward structure. So if we were here at this point in this trade, we would have taken here and rush it down, right? You see. Yeah, okay. You see that double bounce went there straight down. So nothing here for next week. Nothing. We could take this man down since the higher time frame, like you saw, the higher time frame is saying this market is down, but I don't want to touch this guy, right? So because if you look at the higher time frame, this market can spring up at any time, right? It's complete, right? You see the brown circle here, the brown circle is telling us that the market has gone as far as it could, right? So at any time it can spring back for. So I'm not going to touch that. There's even no structure there for me to start anticipating a trade there. So you see here we are not really certain. It's bouncing in between on the higher time frame. But let's see, going down on the lower time frame, you see the weight is pretty going down. And let's see if we have to go to the weekly. Let's see what happened in the weekly, right? Because that's another point of see. That's why I love this my indicator. I love this my indicator, right? You see here, it has to be a blue circle here and another blue circle here. So uh this market has to go down a little bit more, then it's going to come to its point of completion, right? It has to go down a little bit more to have here blue and blue here. It's going to go down a little bit more. So that said, anybody looking at AD Japanese yen should anticipate that there is going to be a little sell. A little, maybe it can come here at this point, right? And come here, boom, and then shoot back down, right? And goes back down. So we are going to be looking at that, even though I love trading structures like we are doing over here, right? I love trading structures, good, nice structures that you can see and actually anticipate, right? Like this one, you can see that one, two, the market has exhausted its upward movement. This structure is a very good one. If we were here, I would definitely, without any hesitation, take a sell here. Definitely. I had a similar trade yesterday, right? Just like this. And I think that is what took the account uh, that far. Mhm. So let's see what, yeah, kind of upward, right? Daily is showing that the market is rallying up. So let's see. But on the lower time frame is showing down. So there is we will not look into that. We will not touch that. Let's move to AUD/USD. AUD/USD is showing that the market is falling, is below my two main moving averages, is falling, right? It's falling. So let's see on the lower time frame, on the 4 hour, you see it's falling. 4 hour is falling. Oh, let's see if we can. It's falling, but we need it to retrace and form a little and form a structure that will give us the the right to go in, right? We don't just want to go in because we feel like it's still going down. So we are going to go through that, but we can't take any. But maybe next week something can come up from there. Exactly. You see here, we are waiting for another a brown circle at the end, which means that this market is still running, it's still going to run, but it's just that the distance is not that far. It might go just for a short while, maybe 20 more pips is on the daily, yeah. 20 more pips, it can run for 20 more pips. For those who enjoy taking 20, maybe 10, 10, 20 pips, yeah, I do enjoy it too, but I like to, like, now we are going to go to the lower time frame and see if we could get a good entry. It has to retrace, give us a good reason of going down, right? Of riding down. So let's see. Let's look at CAD Japanese yen. CAD Japanese yen. It's showing that the market is still going down. We see here we have the red here. Should be anticipating another red arrow here. So the market is not yet complete. It's still rushing down. I think this is a trade I took yesterday. Yes. This is a trade I took yesterday. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is it. This is. I took this trade yesterday and I made this money from here. When it started retracing, I made the money from here, writing it down. It was very nice and I was very happy about it. Very happy about it. So, but for today analysis, there is nothing much the market has given. I think you see, the market was not complete, and it gave us a structure, a reason, a structure for us to, anticipate an entry. Then we went in, right? So let's see, CAT CHF, CAT CHF. So let's see CAT CHF. CAT CHF basically. Let's see on the weekly. If I'm not really clear, I go to the higher time frame, right, to check what is actually happening. You see, on the weekly, it's not yet complete. It's supposed to be blue and blue here. So this market might still fall a little bit downward, right? Can still, yeah, might fall a little bit downward. So let's see. Now let's see. So we know this market can still fall below this arrow, right? It can still fall below here. So we'll be expecting something like a structure, a good structure here to help us, find the reason of going in. But for now, maybe this man can break this, and then we'll see next week. But for now, there is nothing there. Okay, so here this man might still continue going up eventually. I haven't checked the market before opening this video, right? Before starting this video, so just bear with me. This is how I analyze each pair, right? I analyze each pair like this to get my trades, right? So I'm just doing this over the weekend, but within Monday, Tuesday, it can give us something. But for now, let's just run through. right? I know it might take a lot of time, but let's just go through this line. Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD, it's indicating about going up, but we need a good structure to go up. Yeah, if this market goes and bounce back here, we can take it up, right, together, right? You see, it's between these two moving averages, so we don't really have much to do there, right? So let's see what this man is trying to do. What are you trying to do? Okay, okay. Let's see what he's trying to do and try to anticipate. Oh, no, no, no. Literally nothing here. Nothing here. If we had seen this trade, right, we could go in here and write it up there. It would have been a very nice one. Write it up there, right? Would have been a very nice one. But you can't take all the trades. You cannot, right? You can only take that much. Okay, you can't really take everything. So what comes to you, take it, and you those that you could not see, let it go. Cannot be regretting for not taking a trade, right? So this market virtually is pointing down, and there is you see, first, second, we would have jumped in here and ride the market down. Oh, that would have been a very juicy trade. Very juicy trade. Would have been fantastic. Yeah. Right. One, two. Oh, when I find a trade like this, telling me to just come and take the money, come and take the money. I think here I can scale up a little bit. We are conservative traders, right? But here it's a very good signal, right? We can scale up a little and collect some good money from there. If you find something that is really, really, those A level trades, right? Yeah, those A level setups, you hit on them hard. Yeah, hit on them hard. Okay, let's see. Euro GBP, Euro GBP. Let's see what's going on in Euro GBP. Um, Basically, there's nothing much here. Let's see on the lower time frame. Can we find something? Find something. You see, the strategy I'm using works on. If my strategy goes on all the pairs, I can trade anything and on any time frame. If I find my setup on any time frame, I'm taking it. But for the lower time frame, if I have the time, the time to stick around, yeah, I'm going to take it. Except I don't have the time, then I will try to take trades from the higher time frame such that I can go out and do one or two things. But if I have the time to stay around and watch the trade, why not? I can take a trade even on the 15 minutes time frame, even on the 5 minutes time frame. And it's still going to be one and the same thing, right? It goes on all the time frames, right? And on all the currency pairs. So it doesn't have any particular limit. I don't have any particular limit on how I trade. So here, if we can have this is something nice, even though it's on the 15 minutes, yeah. If we can have the next arrow here, you see this guy seems to be very good. If we can have the next brown circle here, maybe somewhere here on Monday, right? And starts going back down here on Monday and starts going back down. This is how this market is going to look like. And let's see how many pips can we make from this market. Ooh. Oh, it's a good one. Euro Japanese yen, that's nice. Can make about 50 something. Yes, about 50 something. Because if you see here, Phipps, put your Phipps here, you see that this market will somehow fall on the 38.2. Yes, it will fall on the 38.2 to go up here and fall on the 38.2. Then hopefully, yeah, fall on the 38.2 and then coming back down, right? We are going to crush it to about 50 something pips. This can be a very good trade for Monday. Yeah. So we are going to keep it there and we'll look at it. So that's it. Keep it there and we'll look at you see, um I'm taking a sell. I'm anticipating a sell with all the moving average telling me, okay, you are good, everything is, so let's look at so this was Euro Japanese yen. Let's look at Euro NZD. We are already on the Euro NZD, which we are winning already. Let's look at GBP AUD, pound AUD. Oh, pound AUD. We took this trade. I think, yeah, this is one of the trade I decided to move out of the trade because I saw another very nice trade. This was one of the trade that we had that little loss. Let me see, GBP AUD. GBP AUD. Let me see. GBP AUD. Let me increase this to the week. Mm, no, 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 no. Modified date order. Let me see, it's the week. Yeah. GBP, GBP AUD, pound AUD. Let me see. Where is that trade? Okay, yeah, this is it. Pound AUD. Oh, I went out with a little win of 0.14, right? Yeah, I went out with a little win of 0.14 from this trade. We were somewhere here. And I went out because I wanted to take another trade as not to strain my account, right? So I went out with a little win, but if I had stayed, it was a good trade. It's just that I had other trades to look to take that way. I think would have been, that way faster. That is why we grew the account to this point, right? So, but it was still a good trade, right? If I had waited, this trade would have given me about $13. This trade alone would have given me about $13. But we don't regret because the other trade also gave us money and it was somehow faster. And it gave us that chance to be in other trades that are going to be profitable next week. Okay, so it was a good decision in general, right? It was a good decision in general. So I have analyzed just these currency pairs, this first line. Okay, I don't want to take the video too long. It's going to be too long analyzing every pair, but this is what I do. This is how I look at it. Yeah, this is how we write. Okay, guys, it was nice having you guys. Please do subscribe to the channel. You can see the quality of the video is much more better. Do subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. And also, you can put your comment in the comment section. For those that want to trade with me, fine. You are welcome to join me and just indicate, and I will tell you when, and we are going to discuss. And I'm also looking for investors. All right, I'm looking for investors, those that we can work together and we can make some money together, and enjoy the goodies from this market. Mhm. All right, guys, I'm going to end this video here. Take good care of yourself. I will see you guys in the next one. Okay, take care. Have a nice weekend, everybody. Take good care of yourselves. I'm out. Bye.